It's time to update the software in our QD3000. In order to do that, I've gone to support.surepointag.com and downloaded the latest software reversion to my USB thumb drive. And now I'm going to plug that into the port on the bottom left of the controller. Once I've plugged that in, if I'm on the menu screen, it's going to automatically pop this screen up. If I'm not on the menu screen, I need to navigate to the menu screen. There's two different pieces of software that will update. The first one is the display software, and the second one is the processor software. So first of all, we'll do the display software. We'll push install. We have to select the correct software version on the display. Once we've done that, we push open, and it is going to download the software and reboot the display. It'll take just a second while it does reboot the display in order for everything to come back up. So our display software has been loaded and the controller has rebooted. Now we'll press the menu button. It'll take us to the menu page, which will bring up the update screen, meaning that it's detected the software on the USB drive. Now we're going to update the processor software. We'll push update. Again, we have to select the correct version. There's only one version on the thumb drive, so only see a single option. Once it's highlighted, we push open at the bottom right. We're going to see this programming progress bar appear. And then at this point in time, it's going to go through a reboot process. We'll see this message appear. That is normal as the controller is rebooting. We can go ahead and press OK. We'll go ahead and press finish. We can go ahead and remove our software, our USB drive. Once the controller completes the reboot process, we'll be ready to run with our updated software.